Let this soft mineral melt in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth and never need a dentist again. Did you know there is a natural way to regrow teeth and gums that only 3% of the population even knows about? Scientists at the National Institute of Dental Research have invented a powerful sour liquid that can regrow teeth and gums almost overnight. How is this possible? This liquid contains microscopic healing ingredients that reach deep inside the gum pockets and in between your teeth, something not possible until now. This method is 10 times more effective than any existing solution and means you'll never have to step foot into a dentist office ever again, as this method can easily be done from home. The crazy part is that it only takes a few seconds to do and starts restoring years' worth of damaged receding gums and decaying teeth in just a matter of days. So if you are struggling with bleeding or receding gums, gingivitis, gum infections, toothaches or decay, bad breath, or any type of periodontal issue, then this discovery could save your life. I urge you, stop everything you're doing and click the link below to watch a short, free special video that'll show you exactly how you can start using this method today. If it's already worked for more than 127,000 people, then it can work for you too. Even if you've been fighting decay and inflammation for 5, 10, even 20 years. Imagine, no more awful metallic blood taste in your mouth, throbbing tooth pain, and best of all, never having to step foot into a dental office ever again. The billion-dollar dental industry does not want you to see this video and discover the fastest, most powerful gum and teeth rejuvenating secret on the planet. Click below and watch it before it's too late.